Myself, Prabhudeva GD, Computer Science Lecturer, BLR PU College and MBR PU College, Sirigira. Dear students, we will study about second PUC Computer Science, first chapter, Configuration of Computer System. Go through the configuration of computer system. We will remember the first point is in the previous year or first PUC computer science we will explain block diagram of computer system. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರಥಮ PUCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕೋಣ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ contains number of units or components. First one is in black diagram contains more than one components in the figure. For example, input device, CPU, output device. What is meant by input device? Input device means to feed the data into the computer system, to feed the program into the computer system, to enter the information into the computer system, to capture the image from the scanner, to capture the image from the web camera, to singing a song from the microphone. These are the example of input devices. Once again, what is meant by input device? Input device means to enter the data or information or program to the computer system is called input. This one is the input device, keyboard. This one is the mouse input device. This one is the web camera input device. This one is the scanner input device. This one is the thumb impression input device. These are the input device used in the computer system. Second one is CPU. This is the CPU case or cabinet. Inside the cabinet or CPU to fix the motherboard. Motherboard, it contains number of electronic components. For example, CPU socket, RAM slots, ports, etc. These are the electronic components inside the motherboard. This one is the monitor. Monitor to display the text or images on the screen. This one is the output device. Input device examples are keyboard, mouse, web camera, joystick, thumb impression example, microphone, scanner, etc. These are the input devices. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also a brain or heart of the computer system. Most of all, important component of the computer system is CPU. What is the use of CPU or what is the function of CPU? CPU, it processes the data or instructions. CPU, it contains three major components. First one is the ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. What is the function of unit? ALU, it performs mathematical operations in the computer system. Mathematical operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and then division. CU, control unit, or CU stands for control unit. Control unit is used for to flow the data into the ALU. from processing data from memory. Last one is MU, memory unit. Memory unit is used for to store the data or information permanently or backup memory. This one is the hard disk. This is the secondary storage devices. It is used for to store the data or information in the device. This one is the auxiliary memory. This one is the external memory, pen drive or thumb drive. This is also a to store data or information. This component name is thumb drive or pen drive. This one is the external hard disk. This one is the internal memory or secondary storage devices inside the CPU or inside the CPU cabinet. This one is the external storage devices used for to connect and then remove. ನೀವು ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಉಪಕರಣವನ್ನು ನೀವು CPU ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟಾ is a collection of unprocessed form which includes numbers, alphabets and then special symbols. Information. What is meant by information? Information means a collection of data in meaningful form is called information. Okay. This one is the hard disk. It contains data or information. To measure the data or information measuring the data or information in kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes. Number of components are there in your table or computer system or personal computer. Keyboard is input device connected to the CPU. What is the port of used in the keyboard? Keyboard connected to the CPU. What is the port is used in the keyboard? This one is the USB port used for connected to the keyboard component. This is the old one cable used for PS by 2 sockets. This one is the USB ports used for to connect the printer, mouse as well as keyboard and then web camera. Okay. Students, you observe simple concept of block diagram of computer system. You will study about second PUC first chapter, a configuration of computer system. What is the meaning of configuration or what is the configuration? Configuration means an arrangement of units in computer system together to form or combination. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಉಪಕರಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್, RAM, which type of speed is used in the RAM, etc. This is the concept of configuration. Second one is computer system. Computer system is equal to hardware plus software plus user plus data. What is meant by hardware? Hardware means or hardware refers to the physical components of the computer system. These are the hardware components or peripheral devices are used in the computer system. Second one is software. Software means a collection of programs, that type of programs written by the programmer used in the system or computer system. There are two types of softwares. First one is system software. Example is Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 10. This is the system softwares. Another one is application software. Application software example is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, MS Access. These are the application softwares. Third one, user. User means who is the person operate the computer system. I also user to operate the computer system. Last one is data. Data means a collection of unprocessed form which includes numbers 0 to 9, alphabets A to Z, special symbols like at symbol, question mark, etc. This is the concept of computer system. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಪ್ರಥಮ PUCಯ ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕಿದ ನಂತರ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUCಯ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.